Good freaking morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. I got Casey's AMG C63 here at the shop. We just finished wrapping it up with KPMF. Thank you so much to Ryan for sending us a roll to get on Casey's car. It looks so phenomenal. But there's one tiny little piece that Casey wanted me to fix, and so he left it here at the shop. Today is Sunday, but instead of fixing the wrap, what I'm actually gonna do is I am going to be straight piping his C63 AMG. He's been talking about this for a while, so the homies at FI Exhaust sent downpipes to install on the C63. So let's get some before footage before we start installing the new downpipes on his C63 AMG. Yeah, it definitely needs to be louder, so let's get these downpipes on. So now we gotta get the V-band clamps off. So I got everything done on the top of the engine bay, but now it's time to lift the car back up to get underneath. And there's one thing that I have to do on this AMG in order to get the downpipes out, and it's actually kind of crazy. So on the C63s, there's absolutely no room whatsoever to go from up top or down below to get the downpipes out, so I have to cut them. Let's get it. And just like that, baby, we got it out. So now we can get that from the top, but we got one more to go. So let's get that one done real quick. I pray to God Casey's not gonna be mad that I'm cutting his downpipes off, because that was not a very straight cut whatsoever. I'm gonna need a little break. Why did I sign up for this? Oh my gosh. Both downpipes are out. Let's go open the new FI exhaust downpipes. I'm so stoked to see what these look like compared to these hogs. These things are freaking massive. Oh my goodness. These are literally just straight pipe. And Casey already doesn't have mufflers on his car. I'm slow as f. Wow. Look at that. That is so freaking sweet. I don't know if I'm putting it in the middle of the camera or not, but that is absolutely sick. Huge thank you to FI Exhaust. Now let's get these thrown on right. All right, so we got everything in. Let's start this thing up and hear the downpipes for the first time. Goodness. Either Casey is gonna love me or he's gonna absolutely hate me. I'm calling Casey.
What up?
Hey, so the Mercedes is done. If you, Do you want to come pick it up at the shop?
Yeah, you got it all fixed up.
Yeah, everything's good. Everything's fixed. So if you want to come pick it up, it's all done.
Yeah, I'll have someone come pick me up.
All right, let's do it.
Over.
All right, I'll see you in a few. Bye.
Bye.
He's gonna be so shocked. Casey's gonna be so freaking shocked. Oh, dang. Getting picked up in the R33?
Yeah, why are you videoing me?
You'll see in a moment.
What did you do? Hi. Hi. What did you do to my car?
Nothing. Everything is fine with your car. Everything's fixed. Everything is good. But I surprised you with something.
Oh, great. Did you like break something?
No. Nothing.
Wrap some pink?
No. Okay, nothing is done like cosmetically, besides fixing what you want to fix.
Okay, now I'm really worried.
Just go turn on the car. Just go turn on the car.
What?
Rev it.
Holy shit! What did you do?
Our boys at FI Exhaust sent you brand new downpipes, so I installed some new downpipes for you. Let's go.
Wow! You gotta rev it. I wanna hear it. You gotta rev it for me.
I got you.
Hit it! Okay.
I'm sorry. That is so freaking loud and so sick.
Imagine it under boost.
Let's go find out. And then just instantly.
That sounds good. Dude, that woke this thing up.
Busting everything now. I think this is a supercar killer now.
Dude, holy cow. Dude, holy
This thing is violent.
dude.
Those downpipes really woke up this car.
Thank you so much.
Dude, of
I feel
course.
bad for my neighbors, but
They'll live.
yeah, I'll live even better because this is fun.
I'm so glad that I could surprise Casey today. Casey, are you surprised?
Dude, I'm so surprised. I appreciate it so much.
Thank you so much to FI Exhaust for sending us the downpipes to put on Casey's C63 AMG. If you liked what we did to this video, click on this video right above my head. We'll catch you guys on the next video.